Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you fix your Verizon phone which is stuck in SOS mode. So here's a guide for your eSIM, SIM, iMessage, FaceTime, and Reset. Fix 1. Check for a Verizon outage. Before troubleshooting your phone, make sure 3 isn't a Verizon outage in your area. If there's an outage, wait until Verizon restores any service. Fix 2. Turn airplane mode on and off. Open settings or control center that or quick settings. Turn airplane mode on. Wait for 30 seconds and turn airplane mode off. Wait for a minute to see if the phone reconnects. Fix 3. Restart your phone. Power off your phone, wait for 30 seconds and turn it back on. Check whether the signal returns. Fix 4. Check your SIM card or eSIM. For physical SIM, you need to remove the SIM card, inspect it for damage, reinsert it firmly, and restart the phone. eSIM, go to settings, select cellular and or mobile data, and make sure your Verizon eSIM is enabled. Fix 5. Update your carrier settings. If prompted to install a carrier settings update, accept it. These updates help your phone connect to Verizon's network more reliably. Fix 6. Update your phone. Open settings and go to software update or just go to system and select software update on Android. Install any available updates. Restart the phone. Fix 6. Reset your network settings. On iPhone, go to settings and then you need to go to general, select transfer or reset. Then go to iPhone, select reset and then select reset network settings. On Android, go to settings, select system and then go to reset options and then select reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Restart the phone after the reset. Fix 8. Verify your Verizon line is active. Your line is active, your bill is paid, there are no account or activation issues. Fix 9. Contact your Verizon. If your phone remains in SOS mode after trying the steps above, contact your Verizon support. They can refresh your line on the network, reprovision your SIM or eSIM, replace a faulty SIM if needed. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.